Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Davinci Resolve tutorial on the action movie look or color grading. So here I've already opened my clips on Davinci Resolve, and here I've already on the color section. And the first one that you need to do is here, click on this and click on the Alt plus S on your keyboard to create a new serial node like this. And now here I'm going to make I'm going to make this clips a little warm, so I'll adjust it like this. Here I'm going to lower adjust it near the gamma. Okay, just a little up here. And for this one, the left. Okay, like this. Then let's click on the curves in here. Click on this luminous versus saturation. Here, I'm going to make it like this. Now for the gain, I'm going to drag it like this. Okay. Next, let's click on the Alt and L to create a new layer in here. Then let's go to this RGB mixer here. I'm going to lower the red a little bit, and sorry, let's move the red up and let's lower the blue. Here I'm going to go to see how I can adjust the green. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to add some contrast in here. Let's click on this HDR. Here you can adjust the contrast by swiping it to the right or left in here. You can also adjust the pivot. And now let's go to the gain. Click on this key. Here you can increase the gain or lower it. Here you can add a new layer again and adjust the contrast pivot and hue to how you like it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the